Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I am a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie Budgets and Blogs. Our shop name is SNC Budget Creations. I'll link it down below. Also, for the month of October, we have a freebie, which I will link as well. And I joined a group of ladies for the October collaboration where we are running each other's videos, a support train for, just showing each other some love. I will link the ladies down below if you're interested in checking them out. Watch the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Also, for 24 hours only, I will be linking a new to the shop item in my pinned comments. It'll only be there for 24 hours. So this is an image of it. Now, if you're watching this video after that 24-hour time frame, the savings challenge will be in the shop. Eventually it's going to be loaded into the shop. However, for today only, it is a freebie and you'll have complete access to it. So make sure you grab it before I remove that pinned comment. So it's to your benefit to have your notifications on if you're interested in freebies, because we do have some additional freebies before they go into the shop. What are we doing today on this beautiful Sunday morning? We are going to cash stuff our bills and expenses and try to get through this as smoothly as possible. I had to revamp my budget, which I'm okay with. Sometimes that happens. Let's count up what we are stuffing today. We have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 320. 10, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 2. So we're stuffing $392 today. I did make a little bit more, but the money that you don't see here, I went ahead and set aside to do some savings challenges. So I'm going to work on that. But in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and take care of this $392 by putting it into our bills and expenses. This is the bills binder that I'm using right now. These cash envelopes I got from Mom Needs a Clone, and I got them a while ago. So her shop is no longer open from what I can tell. But let's get started. Rent is getting $260. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60. So we have that 260, and then we'll see what else we have. 280, 300, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60. So I have $560 already to go for my rent. And this is the rent for next month, for November. All right, let's see if we can get this in there. It's a lot of 20s. I still haven't gotten a physical bank. All right, got that done. I do have another blank envelope for my rent because I usually get 20s. All right, moving on to utilities, which is going to get $20 today. Oh. Let's count it up because there is money in there. Utilities has 20, 40, 50 bucks. All right, internet is getting $10 today. And now we have 20, 40, $50. All right, and my phone bill is not getting anything because it is completely funded with $10. Car insurance is getting $20. So now we have 20, 35 in car insurance. These top loading are so pretty, but they're not as smooth as the side opening. All right, next up is subscriptions, which is getting $5 today. And subscriptions now has $10, $15, $20. Lastly is my memberships, which is getting $7. 5, 6, 7. And I have a payment coming due next week, so I need to make sure this money goes back into the account. And it should be fully funded. Let's see, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42. I think it's $5 short. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41. Yes, it is $5 short. Should I pull the $5 now and then figure it out from my savings? Yes, because I need this to be fully funded. Yes. Okay, we're just going to do it. Let me make sure. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47. Yes. Okay. So my memberships is fully funded. Next week, or no, not next week, this week, that payment is due. So I need to take this straight to the bank, or straight to the, load it to the ATM. All right. And then we will move on to our spending. And since I took $5, I think what I'll do is I will take that $5 from mommy, and then I will replenish it once I pull out the money from my savings challenges, because I do want $10 to spend. But for now, we're going to put $5 in there. Gas is getting $20, which I do need to put gas in my car, and I will work on that today. Household getting $10. And I haven't even made my list for my household items, so I really need to focus on doing that. Next up is pets, which is getting $10, 5, and 10. Last week when I went to the store for my kitty and my puppy, I got a little bit bigger bag of food than I normally do, so I just need to get wet food and kitty litter and just some basics, so that should be perfectly fine. And then next up is kiddos, which is getting $10, 5, and 10. Okay. Next up, personals is my laundry, which is $10, 5, 10. Perfect. So our cash tray is empty. We've gone ahead and stuffed our bills and weekly expenses. I do need to get that money out for my savings challenges and put that $5 into my mommy envelope. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just tough it out with $5 this week. We'll see how that goes. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Make sure you grab that freebie for the next 24 hours only, because it will be going into the shop and be only for sale. So grab it now. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.